It's time for a fish fry, and the only way to do that is to know how to fry fish. So I'm gonna teach you how to fry up 2 different types of fish with 2 different recipes. Let's do it. Oh my cod, you guys. This recipe calls for cod. It's a heartier fish, and it's gonna hold up great with the high heat and with the flavors I'm gonna add to it. You're gonna pat your codfish dry. You cannot fry a wet fish. I'm gonna use this electric frying pot. It's gonna be at about 375. As that oil's heating up, I'm gonna add my McCormick spice for my batter. Black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, sea salt. I'm gonna mix that around. I'm gonna add 1 egg and a beer. Cheers, Mike.
My favorite beer is either a light lager. Is this beer? I don't know.
I'm gonna add about 3/4 cup and mix it all together and make sure there's no clumps. And like any hardworking American, you gotta rest. So does this batter. So while this is resting, I'm gonna go ahead and season my codfish. Salt, pepper, flip. You wanna make sure you season both sides. You're gonna take your McCormick spice again, salt, pepper, and we're done. So our fish are dry and seasoned. Our fish are dry and seasoned. Our batter is finally seasoned. So our fish are dry and they're seasoned. Our batter has rested, so now we're ready to fry that fish, baby. Take your cod, dunk it in this beer batter, and very gently place it in the oil. Like a subway car, you don't want your fry pot to be overcrowded. So we're gonna do 2, maybe 3, so that way they have room to cook up and not touch. The easiest way to know that your beer battered fish is ready to go is it's gonna float back up to the top. In the meantime, I should make the peppered vinegar. It's really, really easy. Okay, so you take your malt vinegar, some black pepper, and that's it. This is your dip for your battered fish. Now why? This is acidic, this is fat. Fat and acid love each other very much. There should be a band, the Fat Acids. That'd be awesome. I would totally go to that concert. Like, come on! The fish are floating. So beautiful, which means they're ready to go onto the paper towel plate to absorb any extra oil. They're so beautiful, with tons of flavor, and of course delicious with your peppered malt vinegar, French fries, whatever you want to do. Now, what I want to do is teach you how to make fried catfish. It's delicious, there's a ton of flavor, and some great crunch from the cornmeal that we're going to use. But first and foremost, tartar sauce, yo. So you're going to take your mayonnaise, some sweet relish, onion powder, garlic salt, and a little ground red pepper. I'm gonna mix this up. You're gonna put it in the fridge, let those flavors combine, and we're gonna make ourselves some fried catfish. I'm gonna take some vegetable oil, put it in a frying pan, turn up to medium-high heat. So catfish, as far as whitefish is concerned, has a little bit stronger flavor, which is great, I love it. But I wanna up it even more by taking my cornmeal mix and adding some great McCormick seasoning. Onion powder, garlic salt, ground cayenne, and parsley flakes. Mix that up. And I've already dried my catfish. You wanna make sure that your fish before dipping in an egg wash are completely dry. Now that I've made my mix, I have my whisked egg. You're gonna take it, put it in the egg wash, dredge it, if you will, into your cornmeal. Now I like doing this by hand because I like to make sure every little piece of the fish is covered in the cornmeal mixture. The oil's starting to shimmer, which means it's up to temp. I'm gonna take my catfish, which has been dredged through the delicious cornmeal mixture. You keep the fry away from you. Oh yes, perfect. So these catfish, when they're done cooking, they're gonna be golden and they're gonna be crunchy, full of flavor, and great with that tartar sauce we made. Okay, so it's been about 4 or 5 minutes, and also the catfish are dancing in the pan, which means it's time to flip it. Again, friends, flip away. Oh, I'm so excited. They've been browned on both sides, and it's time to take these catfish and put them in my mouth. So I'm gonna take it. There we go, beautiful. Good. Ah, yes! Look at these guys, they're so beautiful, and they're gonna taste so good. I'm gonna grab the tartar sauce, put all of this on my plate. All right, so these fish are fried. Tartar sauce is made. Oh yeah. Okay, I've got crunchy catfish, crispy codfish, mild and delicious, flavorful and crunchy. Honestly, I don't know which one to eat first. They both look so delicious. Okay, you guys. Guys, I know your phone's in your hand. I want you to be inspired, stay organized, and get started on your next incredible recipe by downloading the Flavor Maker app. Scan bottles, put it in your digital spice rack. You can look at recipes, and basically, the world of food is in this little app right here.